A sweet escape. How to make a salted caramel frappe candle. Transform your home into a cozy retreat with the enticing scent of a salted caramel frappe candle. Whether you're looking to unwind after a long day or simply add a touch of warmth to your space, this DIY project is sure to delight your senses and bring a sense of indulgence to your everyday life. Embrace the art of candle making and enjoy the luxurious aroma of caramel and coffee in the comfort of your own home. To make a decadent salted caramel frappe candle, you'll need a few supplies and some basic candle making skills. Here's a general overview of the process. Supplies: candle wax flakes or pellets, candle wicks, candle dye, optional for color, fragrance oil, caramel and coffee scents, heat-safe container for melting wax, stirring utensil, for example wooden stick, measuring cup scale, optional for precise measurements, double boiler or microwave for melting wax. Salted caramel fragrance oil instructions. Prepare your workspace. Cover your workspace with newspaper or a disposable tablecloth to protect it from wax spills. Prepare the wax. Measure the amount of wax flakes or pellets you'll need based on the size of your container. Use a double boiler or microwave to melt the wax. Stir gently to ensure even melting. Add color and fragrance. Once the wax is completely melted, add candle dye to achieve the desired color. Then, add the salted caramel fragrance oil and coffee scent to the melted wax, stirring well to evenly distribute the fragrance. Prepare the container. While the wax is melting, prepare your candle container. Place a wick in the center of the container and secure it in place using a wick holder, or by pouring a small amount of melted wax into the bottom of the container and pressing the wick into it. Pour the wax. Carefully pour the melted wax into the prepared container, leaving some space at the top. Allow the candle to cool and harden completely. Finishing touches. Once the candle has cooled and hardened, trim the wick to the desired length, about 1/4 inch, and remove any wick holders. Your decadent salted caramel frappe candle is now ready to use. Note: always follow safety precautions when working with hot wax, and never leave a burning candle unattended.
Welcome to Brewed Content with Ms.Coffee. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe today.